I'll join. Hi guys, I hope you are joining in can hear me and can see me properly. So let me know. Can joining in. Okay, I can see chat on. If you guys can hear me, just comment below that you can see me and hear me properly. Cool. Hi. Okay. So while we wait for people to join in for a couple of minutes, as always, I'll start with a brief intro because especially for those of us who are, joining us for the first time. So I am Kathy, one of the co-founder of HNDMD and Craft Angles. HNDMD had been started as a website to provide you quality craft supplies and art supplies in India, and we deal in a lot of a lot of products, not just one particular type. We try and cater to all kinds of crafters, artists. Now we are also the founding member of Craft Angles brand, which is an Indian brand where we cater to a lot of supplies, not just craft supplies and art supplies. So yeah, okay, I can see people are joining in. Okay, so what I was saying is basically with Craft Angle has been to provide you made in India products mostly where we can, so that you get vocal for local products, and we do it across kind of all kind of art forms. We like to stick to a particular art form like decoupage or watercoloring, etc. We have done for decoupage, scrapbooking, mixed media, card making, watercoloring, acrylics. I mean, there are lots and lots of areas where we have created products, and we do plan to make more for you guys as and when we progress as a I think relatively we are a very new brand considering the amount of products that we have. But just so that sometimes it happens that we cannot showcase our each and every product, be it in our live, or a lot of times our customers, they have a question for us that why you are not showing us this particular product. It's not that we are not showing you, it's just that we have so many products. So if you have any query for a particular product, you can definitely WhatsApp us, you can contact us on our social media, and we'll be happy to help. And as and when we do live, you would know that we do it in parts where we try and give out something for everybody. So in some releases we do decoupage, in some releases we do card making, somewhere we do stencils, watercolors, etc. So we try and cater to multiple categories, not just a single category. I know it's a difficult job, but we definitely think that yeah. So just a small intro about us, and in today's release, what I thought was, now that we have enough people, we can start the release. I thought I'll talk about a few things before products, uh, because what happens is we normally whenever we are releasing and we just talk about the products and then we go offline. So there are a lot of common questions that we get, especially around our social media platforms, our challenges, etc. So I thought this would be a good medium for me to answer those questions for you, so that all those who have come, it would be easier for you to find answers in one place itself. So please don't mind, I'll take around initial 5 minutes of your time to answer all those questions, and simultaneously, to keep it interesting, I also have few questions planned for you. As always, the person who answers it first will be the winner. Now remember guys that you are many people out there, and I am only one person who is looking at the screen. So the answer that I see first on my screen will be the winner, rather than what you have typed, because it may happen that by the time you have typed, someone else has typed and already sent me the answer, and that the one basically what I see on the screen will be the winner, just to clarify. So the first thing that I wanted to talk about was our bundles or combo page. So a lot and lot of time we get this. I mean, we almost get this question daily that, I want to buy your entire range of watercolors, or I want to buy your entire range of handmade watercolor papers, or I want to buy your entire range of chalk paints. Do you provide any discount, or should I wait for a? So the answer to that question, you don't have to wait for sale to come. We really appreciate customers who have been loyal to our brand, who like to buy with our name on it, because that's a matter of pride for us. And for those customers, we especially appreciate your loyalty with us as a brand and combos. So there is a special menu on our website. So if you open our website, which is handmade.com, which is www.hdmd.com, there is a combo link menu on the right side. So if you click on it, it will take you exclusive to combos of our. So let's say, if you want to buy our complete range of watercolors, or you buy all red shades of our chalks, or you want to buy all colors of gilding flakes, in that case you get additional discount or special price, whatever is available on our website for single product. So the discounts range from 10% to almost 30%, guys. So you never wait for sale if you are interested in buying bundles or combos on our website. That is our way to appreciate your loyalty to us as a brand. And that goes on irrespective of sale. It is available 365 days on our website. Okay. So all you have to do is go to our website, click on our combo page. On the right side, you'll see a link, and just browse through all the combos that are available at that point of time, and then you can buy accordingly. Okay, so that is how you can save with us if you buy. Now second thing that we get the most question about is that, you do free giveaways, etc. Is there any other way through which I can get something if, if I have been following your brand, etc., etc.? So we do three kind of giveaways every month. First is, of course, whenever we come live, we ask questions, and those who answer the right questions definitely get goodies from us. Second is our share and win contest, which we have for all our every month, basically, for all our posts social media. So the people who share the we select those people, the people who do tagging, who share the post, who share it on their profile, tag their friends, so all those regular things, and those who follow us on all our social media platform, YouTube, Instagram, etc., etc. So all those rules that are there typically, so we check all those, and the few person, so every time the number of people that we do for share and win, sometimes it's 10 people, sometimes it's 5 people, some month it's 2 people, some months it's 3 people, and so on. So every month that number changes. For March, and on April, we'll be uh, giving out 10 winners for our share and win, who have February to 18 March, the one who has done maximum share and win and maximum tagging, etc. So those are 10 winners that we'll be announcing on 18th March. So that is one way through which, you can get some giveaways and products from us. And the third way, which I think is popular, but it's more popular from people who follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Not a lot of bloggers or are aware of it, but we do have two challenges that we run every month. So every month we have one challenge on our blog, and where, we have a particular theme in mind for that particular challenge, and also make products related to that challenge. So you can do Craft Angles products that will earn you extra brownie points. If not, you can also use other brand product. It basically depends on how good your project is. And of course, if you have used extra Craft Angle product, you get an extra point for that. And then based on all those, one winner who gets a 500 rupees coupon code, and then they can buy products. And the second giveaway, which we have every month, again, this is the second challenge that we have, is on our Instagram, where you have to make anything. So there you don't particular mind. The only restriction is that you have to use Craft Angles products. So it could be a page, it could be a mixed media, it could be a pattern paper. So it does not matter whether you are a water color artist, you are a mixed media artist, art journaling, you are decoupage, you are scrapbooker, you literally, or a card maker, you literally follow any art form. If we make a product for that, you can make something out of it, tag us, follow us, and use the relevant hashtags. So all these details, guys, are available. So for the blog, it is available on our blog. Go to and click on our monthly challenge. It rules how you can link extra. I will try and link the same right now in the chat as well for you guys, so you can have a look. And for our Instagram, just check our post. I think one or a day or two back we have again posted all the rules. Again, I will ask Drishti to share the same on the stories, so that you guys can check the rules today itself and you will get an idea on what are the rules. So basically those are two ways where we select monthly winners as well. So you can also win some products from us that ways. So that was the challenges. Now on to the fun part, that is asking you a couple of questions. So my first question, and before I get into it, I hope you're all ready, because ask my first question. I'll give you a second and then I'll ask my first question. Okay. So the first question spoke about chalk paints, watercolors, etc. in our combos, right? So how many colors of chalk paint do we have? How many colors of chalk paint do we have? The person that gets the right answer will be our first winner for today. Okay, people have come close. No, no. You're thinking very small, guys. Think large. Okay, not yet. So the right answer. No. Okay, we have an answer. I'll highlight it for you. So Gitanjali Abbas is correct. We have 40 colors of chalk paint under our brand. On your name, give me a second. Okay. So Gitanjali Abbas is right. We have 40 colors of chalk paint. And as I said, guys, if you are looking to buy those to save a lot for our chalk paint, why I thought I'll talk about it during our live. So the next thing that I wanted to talk to you about, March. So this is a month of March now, special to us because of a lot of things. One of them is, of course, it's Women Day. It's a month of women's this March, and I really appreciate all our customers. As you know, we cater to most customer base is 80 to 90%, you could say, females, and they have been amazing. I mean, I could not have asked for better to me. Most of my DTs, my block coordinator, everybody. It's basically, you could say, we are almost 80 to 90% woman driven company. My husband feels left out because I'm surrounded by women. And this company, yes, we are quite a lot of women driven companies. So March is a special month for us, and that is why you would normally see us doing a lot of sales, or we would do a lot of women's day always and always. Since the time we have started challenges, our March challenge has always been a woman to do about it. So yeah, and Women's Day, this March month is very us, and there is another reason why it is special to us. So we have launched handmade.com month of March. It's been a couple of years now. Earlier, for those of you who another business which is HNDMD, which is handmade, and we started a website called hnDMD.com in month of March. So this is our anniversary month, and of course, need to bring out very good deals and products to you in this month. Of course, it's to us. So before I get any further, yeah, stopping a lot. Okay. Let me just check connection. Give me a second, guys. Few of you are saying that there is an issue with internet. Thank you, Priyanka. Okay, can you see me now? Is there still issue? Thank you, Parvati. Thank you, Aditi. Thank you, Sirisha. Thank you, Ekta. Thank you, Ranjita. Thank you, Sunita. My voice is breaking. Thank you, Dipti. Thank you, Hetal. Breaking in between. Thank you, Rashmi. Video is sticking a lot. Video is still breaking. Okay. We're trying for better connectivity, guys. Just give us a minute or two. It's breaking in everybody's. Okay. That is getting stuck. Okay. It's better. Phone पे check करो. Speed. Okay. Is it better now by any chance? It's better? Okay. Thank you, Drishti. I think it's better. I'll continue then. Okay. Cool. Cool. So, of course, as I said, that it's our anniversary month. So, I definitely will be sharing anniversary, anniversary sale, etc. And before I get into the sale details, etc., I wanted to know which year of HNDMD.com anniversary is this? So, this is our which year anniversary? The first answer I get will be our second winner for the day. Which year anniversary of HNDMD? Handmade. Okay, we have started getting answers. Okay, we have answers. Sunita Mahavar. She is the first one to guess it right. It's fourth. Priyanka, you were second. Better luck next time. You were second answer. Just there was a second different difference. So first, the second question winner is Sunita Mahawar. I'll just write down your name. So yes, it is our fourth year anniversary, and to celebrate that, we have lot and lot of sales coming on our website, and it will be live from today. Once we are done with the live, the entire sale will be live on our website. So one of the main sale that we are doing is that you will get 4% additional off on all your orders, irrespective of what amount you're doing placing, irrespective of brand you are placing. So any foreign brand, Chinese brand, and UK brand, any brand that you order, irrespective of what products, you will get flat 4% off. So all the details of what coupon codes will be valid from day will be available on our coupon page. So for those of you who are new to our website, always on our website, if you go, there is banners at the top that you see for different kinds of products or sales, or market products that we showcasing that particular month. So those banners, if you click on them, they'll take you to that respective details. So one such banner is where we talk about sale. And just a second, guys. There's someone. Sorry, guys, there was someone at the studio who had come. So sorry for that. So one of the first sale that I was talking about is you'll get flat 4% off on all your orders. And apart from that, we are also going to do brand deals and bulk buying deals, which we normally do on our website. So there will be multiple coupon codes that will be active on our website during on what product you have in your cart. You can select the coupon that makes more sense to you. Now, as I said, the products will be live in couple of the products will be live along with the sale, will also be live as soon as we are done with our launch. And you can just click on that banner whenever we put it live on our website. Just click on that anniversary sale banner, and it will take you to all those coupon codes that are active on our website. And then the one that makes most sense to you based on your order, you can select. So I hope that gave you clarity, because we again get that question a lot on where I can see all the active coupons that are available on your website, etc. So that was our anniversary sale, guys. We are super excited, and it's another way to thank such amazing customers that we have already, we always have had as a brand and as a seller. Now, just one last point before we get into the release is that for those of you said, for those of you who did not know our brand, we don't just cater to one particular type of artist. We can try and cater to all kind of art forms and not just one. And that is why we have a very huge and very DT teams. I think we have more than 13, 12, 13 DT members, more than that, in fact, in our team. Some of them are watercolorists, some of them are scrapbookers, some of them are decoupage artists, some of them are card makers, and some of them are mixed media artists. So it is shout out to all of them. They put real hard work, guys, when it comes giving out inspiration to you month in, month out. They give out inspiration for every challenge, every block challenge that we do based on the themes. They give out inspirations. They make sure that the video quality remains at par for you guys, so that it is easier to understand, because we have had a lot of feedback over the period of times from customers on what kind of video quality would they like to see, what kind of blogs they like to see, whether they link our products, etc., or not. Over the period of 4 years, we have evolved as a brand, as a seller, and especially as a content creator. I would say myself as a maker, I have evolved. Like earlier, I used to be so scared going live, doing videos, and look at me today. I mean, it's so fun to come live and talk to you guys. So do definitely check YouTube channel and our Instagram and our Facebook as well as blog. We post videos daily, guys. We give out content daily for you all, so that you all can learn different techniques. So especially for an artist like me, I never try to stick to a particular art form. I like to learn different, like today I'm doing watercoloring, tomorrow I want to do mixed media, day after I want to do acrylic paint. So especially if there are people like you, I hope there are people like me out there who would like to learn new techniques, or who would even like to master the technique that they are into. So we have a team of talented DTs who put out content daily, guys. They a lot of hard work. Trust me when I know, like Drishti tells me every day the amount of hard work they put in making sure that all the posts are detailed, all the video, the quality of video, the way they put out the content is all detailed enough for you, so that you guys can actually replicate the same. So do check out our YouTube videos. The same videos are posted on our Instagram, on IGTV, and the same are also linked on our Facebook as well as our blog. So you can check out anywhere. So you can subscribe to our blog, subscribe to our YouTube channel, or subscribe to our Instagram pages, and you will stay connected and stay updated. And trust me, you will have amazing content, and you will have enough inspiration that you will never feel like my mojo is gone. That amazing creations we put out daily. So I you put that content to good use, that is given out daily to you guys. So that was our social media, and just support those DTs, guys. They are amazing. Thank you, Vitike Rani. Thank you. I'll pass on the thanks our customer supports. So that was our content that I wanted to talk about, and now I will get on to the actual products that we want to talk about. And of course, I'll have questions for you on the way, so that it's more fun, and alongside you can also win some giveaways. So just give me a second. I'll change the camera angle and I'll show you what's on my table. Okay. So I hope you can see what is here on my table. So today I want you that we are releasing something which you have been asking us since the lockdown. And we whenever we do some, we try and think about it. So sometimes we overthink about it, I feel, and then we do it. So we are releasing a kit for you, because a lot of you have been asking us for kits since last year, guys. And finally, I'm super proud to announce that we are releasing kits. Okay, so my third question for you all is, I'll talk the smaller kit, I'll talk later. I want to talk about this. And any guesses on what this kit is going to be about? You can guess what is this kit going to be all about. Let's see what. So I want to see what are the answers. Hopefully, we may work on those kits as well. So any guesses? This is our third question. What is this kit? It's of course an art form that you will learn end to end. Yeah. So do give me some details, guys. What exactly is the kit? Like what? Like decoupage, scrapbook, watercolor. It's a very broad term. Like what exactly? If you could, let's see if somebody can come to a more detailed version on what exactly is this kit going to be about. Okay. Some more details, guys. Like art form, I understand. Okay, so Gitanjali Abbas is the winner. Yes, this is an MDF tray coaster decoupage kit that we are releasing today. Uh, Highlight top. Yeah. So she is the winner. Gitanjali Abbas, you are rocking it, girl. Second winning for the day. Great answers, guys. I mean, I now need to work. I can see a lot of you have been asking for decoupage, so I think I'll need to work more on decoupage apart from this kit. And also, there were a few takers for card making, scrapbooking, and mixed media. So now I know what I need to do next. So I'll show you the kit, and we'll talk in detail about what it contains, etc. And then we have another small case for you. I hope it's a good one. So this is how the kit will come. It is going to ship out like this, and it's going to, I mean, of course, we'll be adding packaging material inside it, but this is how you'll get a kit. So the kit is going to contain one tray. So this is our MDF tray. Now, again, a lot of you had questions that you wanted to see our MDF product. So again, showing you the kit, I'm showing you the quality of our MDF product. See, they are all like, we have had amazing rave reviews from our decoupage artists who have been using our MDF products, that they have loved it. And over the period of this year, we are planning to expand on that range. But this is the quality of the product that you see. So you get this one tray, 6 by 8 inch tray, and then you get these coasters. These are 4 set of square coasters, MDF coasters. Again, all these products that I'm showing you in the kit, they are being sold individually on our website as well. So, these are, I'm just, we have made a kit around it, so that especially for, if you are a beginner, I feel, then it would make sense for you to, if you want to try out a new particular art form, then it makes more sense for you to invest first in a kit rather than buying stuff individually. Also, if it, like this year, I know due to COVID, a lot of people have taken up new art form, and trust me, are one of the best gift that you can give to someone, especially during such tough times. So these make beautiful gifts as well. A lot of our customers have given out gifts for our other kits as well, which I'll talk in some time. And then, of course, if you are somebody who are an experienced artist and who have not tried our brand, or who want to try a particular product in our brand and have not had an opportunity, then these kits are for you. So trust me, there are a lot of people who would want kits based on different reasons. And when I talk about other details, you'll understand why. So apart, I'll talk about this later. You get these 2 colors of chalk paints. Again, you don't get small sample packs. So one thing that we knew when we were releasing kits is that we wanted to give you the actual product that we sell, and not just give you some small amount of product as sample for that kit, and try to sell it for cheap or things. We did not want to do that. As a brand, we believe in quality materials, even giving you quality through and through. That is one thing that we don't compromise on, and that was one thing I decided when I planned to do the kit, was that we are going to give out the actual product that we are selling. We are not going to give you some small sample bottle, and just for the sake of reducing the cost of our kits. So these are 200 ml chalk pen bottles, which we sell on our website, which you will get same packaging, same product. Okay, then you get one decoupage glue, which is 120 ml. Again, our standard packaging of decoupage glue. This is selling product. So for those of you who have never tried our chalk paint or decoupage glue or varnish, and they want one cohesive place where they can try it out, this is definitely one of them. And then this is a recent launch. I think we launched this last September or October. Again, a very crowd favorite, a huge, I mean, it has been a hugely famous among our decoupage artists. So this is our decoupage varnish gloss. Again, you get 100 ml of product, what we sell on our website. We don't believe in selling small bottles like 50 ml, 60 ml. We believe that if your buyer should have enough to do some trials and errors on it. It should not be like 20, 30, 50 ml that, you have started using it and it's khatam. That should not happen. It should not get over while you have just been using it. And this is the paper pack that you will get in the kit. I'll keep this aside. So again, this is our standard packaging. You get A4 package of decoupage paper. Again, this is what we sell. You get 4 different sheets of designs, which I'll show you. This is again another crowd favorite paper. So we have tried to include the designs and colors which are crowd favorite, and which match which match with each other. So you will, especially for beginners, then they don't have to think. So this is the designs that is available in our paper. Again, 70 GSM paper. Trust us, guys, they are extremely thin. You can see how thin they are. This is our second design, third design, fourth design. This is one of our most favorite paper in all decoupage artists. I mean, this is a crowd favorite, and that is why we have included this particular design in our kit. Okay, so you get all these products. So you get one decoupage paper, you get one coaster. Just a second, guys. I'm just looking at the comments. Thank you, Nadia. We love our varnish too. Thank you, Aditi. Yes, I believe a lot of our customers, like, those who have tried, I have never had single complaint of our chalk paints drying out. And I know not everybody has bought out because we never used to put a lot of sales and all that reason, because of which a lot of you have not tried out. And that is why we are releasing kit at amazing prices, so that for, especially for those of you who have never bought our products, because you feel you are getting probably a better deal. Or yeah, guys, just give me a minute, I am definitely coming to the kit worth, etc. Just give me 2 minutes. So for those of our customers who think that you are getting a better deal elsewhere, we are releasing this kit specially for you. And so we have included a lot of things, not just single product, because we want you to try few things of ours. I mean, of course, I could have one paint and I could have just given you one paint. That would have easily covered our tray and coaster. But that is not what I wanted to do. I wanted you to try two different products, so that you can try and create different complementing designs apart from your basic decoupage. Like, of course, I'll show you a sample of what I have done. And then we will get into the pricing and everything, guys. So just give me a minute. I know you are excited. I am super excited, trust me. So this is what you get. Thank you, Priyanka. And this is what you make. So this is what I have made. Of course, this is the paper I chose out of all four designs for the tray. And this is the one I chose for the coasters. Hi, Rekha. So you can definitely choose different paper based on what you want. That is the whole point of us giving you more option. All kits outcome will not look the same. You may paint your tray pink and paint your coasters blue. You may paint everything one color. You may do this top one color, base one color. You may do one side over here one color and one color over here. You can definitely play around with the colors that we have given you. Again, trust me, guys, by the time I completed this kit, I was more than 50% paint on both of them, more than 50% glue, and definitely more than 50% varnish. So you will be left with more than enough products so that you can experiment on your own. Okay, that was the whole point, so that you can experiment on our products and you get a good hands on with these products. So we have a course along with this kit. So along with this kit, you get a complimentary course, and that is where this paper that you get within the kit comes handy. Most of you already know, but if some of you don't know, we have a course website which is handmade.com/courses website. I will try and put it over here. Now there are a lot of free courses over there which you can browse, and there are a lot of paid courses as well. Okay, so our paid courses have been a huge hit. Until now we released courses and not kits. However, that was always our plan, but before that we wanted to see how you guys react to our courses, whether you are comfortable using our new website, etc., and how we integrate our websites together, that the course website and our basic website. So what happens is whenever you buy such kit, you get this sheet. Okay. Now this sheet gives you all the details of the course, on where you have to go to get your complimentary course. What, and by default, since you have bought this kit, you get access to that course cost. You don't have to pay anything. Just add that course into the course website, add it to your cart. After creating account, attach here, you will get an actual coupon code. You have to apply that coupon code, and then you can use the kit directly from, you can use the course directly from the course website. So again, the if you are not comfortable typing, there are QR codes provided, so everything is thought for you guys. We wanted to make your experience breeze, guys. We did not want to do Facebook groups where you have to contact us again and again to get you into the group and all that. No, we wanted to give you a holistic website like experience, a completely learning platform, and that is what we have achieved with our courses website. So again, there are free courses, paid courses. You can also buy this course separately, or you can buy the kit very course complimentary. So we are not charging you for the course when we are selling the kit. However, let's say you already have this and you just want to learn the basic of decoupage, and you don't want to buy the products, then you can definitely just buy the course as well. Okay, so again, this will be provided in each and every kit, so you don't know how you can access or how you cannot access, etc. Everything is given to you guys. And of course, if you have any question, we, of course, our customer support is there. You have our WhatsApp number, just WhatsApp us, and I'm sure one of the guys will be happy to help you. Now coming to the pricing, which I know a lot of you have been asking me. So the MRP of all these products. So when I talk about MRP, I'm not talking about the actual MRP, because our MDF products are on normally on sale, and these are on MRP. So the total value of this product is around 1100 to 1200 rupees, everything inclusive. And if you consider the course, which we are going to sell for 499, and the course is on sale on course website for 249. Okay, course. So if you consider amount of the course, this total comes out to be 1500 rupees, guys. However, as I said, March is a month where we wanted to give you a lot of fun things, a lot of ways to learn new stuff, and it's our anniversary month. So everything, the entire thing, you get for 750 rupees. The free course, the products, everything. I will put that on the chat, so on the screen, so you can get the details. So this kit that you get in this box is going to be for 750 rupees. Okay, where you get this paper, you get this tray, you get this coaster, and you get all the 4 products. And of course, you get the complimentary course. Okay, it's almost 40 to 50% sale on this kit. Now why we are doing this is because we want you guys to give it a try before you go and buy the complete range. This is a good way for you to give our products a try, and that is why they are on. Okay, so the prices is including course, rupee, and shipping is going to be extra based on the weight of the kit. So this kit is going to be sold as a product on Handmade website, and once you add it into the cart based on the what is the weight, the dimension of the product, etc., the shipping will be calculated. Okay, so this is our first kit, and apart from that, there was another kit that we had launched last month, but many of you may have missed it because we did not share it during live. So I wanted to show you that kit as well, because again, that's been a crowd favorite, but I don't know if you guys have seen it. So this is our second kit. This is how it's going to come. And this is actually that we had launched last month. I'm sure some of you may have missed it because we did not show it to you during live. We just released it on our website. So those who are on our WhatsApp group would know about it, but not everybody would know. So this is the products that you again get into kit, where you get this rough watercolor paper. So this is A5 watercolor paper, 100% cotton, guys. All our product watercolor papers are 100% cotton. We don't believe in selling 25% cotton as of now, only 100% cotton. This is handmade rough paper. You get 10 sheets. So this is the complete pack. We are not selling only for the kit. As I said, all our products you are going to get, we sell on our website. We are not going to give you some, some small stuff. And I'll show you what you can do with them. But these are the 3 bottles of watercolor, liquid watercolors, which is, trust me, in a storm. I think everybody wants to buy it. It's been such a famous product. The colors are super vibrant. As you can see over here, these are actual swatches of the colors that we have added. It's not printed. So this is how the actual color looks. And then you also get brushes. So you this is actually a very beginner kit for that those people who don't know what brushes to get, etc. And this is also a good starting point for people who have only tried mob brushes, etc., because I feel our made in India brand watercolor brushes like these, even though they are synthetic, these brushes are amazing. I myself have been using them for more than 2 years now, and I cannot recommend them enough. And that is why I have included them in kit for you guys to try these brushes out, because I know a lot of time people only buy Camel or Indian brushes, and you must have never tried this. Actually, shout out to Drishti who told me about this brand, and that is how I came to know about this particular brand. They have amazing brushes. And then we have a jelly roll pen. So this is all that you get in the, and what you make out of it are these beautiful watercolor galaxies. Okay, so you will be making 5 watercolor galaxies. This kit you also get a course where we discuss about how to make these galaxies. Now, one thing that I actually forgot to tell you about even this decoupage kit is that how are our courses different from uh, other courses are there in market? Because trust me, I have received this question and I would love to give you an answer to this. Is that a, we don't believe in giving sample sizes when it comes to our kits. We actually give you the complete bottle size so that you always have more than what you need for that kit. B, all our courses, whether it is just a learning course or a kit course, they come with additional lessons. So in this particular basic decoupage course, there is an additional 1 to 2 hour of class where we just talk about what are the basic decoupage supplies. So we don't even first go into how you make this. So it's not like, aa jao, paint karte hai, ho gaya. It's not like that. Trust me, guys. We first will talk about what are the supplies, because I know a lot of our customers who come to us and they don't know the difference between decoupage napkin and decoupage paper. Trust me, I have had that queries, and I really feel bad because that's not how you learn. And they tell me that I have learned from a reputed teacher, but you don't know such basic differences. That's wrong, right? You should know what are the different supplies of an art form that. So that is what basic to me means. It's not just how to make a tree tray or a coaster. Anybody could do that, right? At the end of the day, you need to understand what are the different types of papers, what are the different types of paints that you can use, what are the different varnishes that you can use, when to use what, which glue can I use. All these are the questions that any beginner would have. And if you don't answer them, then what is the point of the kit, right? And that is what we answer in each and every course of ours. So trust me when I tell you, it's not just this thing that you are going to learn, this tray and coaster. You are going to learn what is decoupage. There is a dedicated 1.5 hour, 1 to 1.5 hour of video where we just talk about what are the basic supplies in depth. No bar holding. I want to give out information, and that is exactly what we are doing with our kids. Okay, so that is how our kits are different, for those of you who have this question. Same with our watercolor kit. Our watercolor kit, apart from learning these paintings, you are going to learn the techniques around watercolor. So if you are new to watercolor, you are going to learn some of the sample techniques that I have shown here. And apart from that, I have also shown various techniques that we share in the video. So that is what, for me, course is all about. For me, a course is not just how to replicate or copy A, copy B, copy C. No, for me, a course is about making sure that your basics are so clear that tomorrow you can make your own. You don't have to rely on somebody that, once you have, what about when you want to learn a project B? Are you going to again take another kit? No, you should know what is decoupage, right? That is what I feel is decoupage all about, or any other art form. You need to learn basics. So I'm sorry if I went on a rambling rant, guys, but that is what my thought process was, and I hope you guys appreciate that with uh, our kids. Because we have been getting really positive feedbacks on our courses, that where our customers have come and told us that you have gone above and beyond the basics and taught us card making the correct way on our courses, stencil courses, etc. So the same concept we are trying to get into kits, where we are going to teach you all the basics of decoupage that we have a decade. And I feel that's the right way of giving out courses, and that is how we are going to do it. So here are all the galaxies that we are going to make as a part of this kit. So this is the first galaxy, second galaxy. Again, all of them caters to different techniques that we will be talking about in each and every lesson. So every lesson is one painting, and then of course, you get 2 extra lessons on what are various what you need as an artist, and what are the various techniques that you need to know as a beginner. This is our fourth painting, and this is our fifth painting. Okay, so these are all the paintings that you will learn with us using these supplies. And again, as I said, we are doing 5 paintings, however you are getting 10 papers, and trust me, this is more than enough. This is even going to last you more than this 10 papers. These colors are so pigmented and so vibrant. Okay, so you don't have to worry about you running out of supplies when you have started your kit, or I only need to use this much, or I will not have enough. No, you have more than enough. So that was our whole thought process. So this is our second kit. Again, you will get this kind of sheet as well, where you will be able to get the complimentary course on how to learn this. Again, the pricing of these products, for those of you interested in pricing, is that this is, I think the MRP is around 1100 rupees of all these products combined. And of course, if you consider the course, which is 499 MRP, and it is going to be 249 our special price. So that, if you consider, it is almost 1400 to 1500 rupees kit. Again, anniversary month, we are going to launch this kit at almost 50% off. So this kit is also going to be for 750 rupees. So both these kits are going to sell on our website for 750 rupees plus shipping based on what are the dimensions of the product, etc. But you are getting everything, the course as well as product, for 750 each. So I hope you are excited to give these a try. Now I have one good news for you. For those of you, because I know, again, question had been asked to me a lot and lot of time since the time we have started our Craftedda website, then Handmade website, then Craft Angles. I get this question almost daily, is do you take order on WhatsApp? So I'm proud to announce that we are not going to take all the orders on website. However, if you want to buy kits, like let's say if you want to buy the deco or both, or you want to buy multiple of kits, but you only want to buy kits, then you can definitely just WhatsApp us, and you can buy these kits on WhatsApp. Okay, so you don't need to go to our website to buy this. Now this is only for kits. If you want to combine these with some products on our website, etc., then you'll have to go to website and place an order from website itself. However, if you just want to buy kit, you can definitely WhatsApp us and you can place an order through WhatsApp for the kits only. Both the kits are for 750 rupees, and you can see the WhatsApp number is on our screen. Also save this number for those of you who normally have product queries, or you want to know something about our website on how to place order, etc. Because I know a lot of time you are hesitant to ask questions, but you can definitely WhatsApp us on this number, and my staff will be happy to help you on your queries. So those were our kits. To make things easy, both of the kits are for 750 rupees. You can take the Coupage kit or our watercolor beginner kit, and both of them are, I mean, the MRP of that products are easily almost 1500 products, 1500 rupees, as we talked about. And of course, if you only want to buy kit, you can place an order to us through WhatsApp. Okay, so those were the two kits that to show you. I hope you guys are excited about the kits. So now that I showed you the kits, it's another question time. Are you guys ready? Okay, so my fourth question is, now that I showed you our product, this product, and I'm telling you this is most loved product when it comes to artists. So I have a question related to liquid watercolors, is that how many shades of liquid watercolors do we have, both in this basic colors and in shimmers? What is the total of liquid watercolors that we have? Okay, answers have started pouring in. I'm waiting for the right answer. यार बड़ा सोचो. I mean, it's an old product. A lot of you have already. Okay, people have come close, but not a right answer. People are coming close, but no right answer yet. Okay, close, guys. Okay, I'll give it to Ekta Jain because she had come closest. She came to 34. It is 33 colors that we have launched till date, including and shimmers. So, Ekta Jain, you are our fourth question winner on liquid watercolors. Okay. So now coming to our, so today we had a small release, and that is why I wanted to talk about other things as well, because normally normally I only talk about the actual release. So that is why, since we had a small release, I thought we'll talk about other things as well. So now I'm coming to the second part and the last part of our release. So today we wanted to keep it small and sweet, and hopefully soon we'll come back with another small and sweet release. Another last product that I want to show you for this month's release. And that is Transfer It. Yes, we are releasing new designs in the product that you have loved so much. Then a lot of you came back to us with some feedback on what designs you wanted to see, etc. And that feedback from you, and we have come up with those designs. And of course, guys, as I tell you always, that if you have a question or a doubt, or even a general feedback on what you would like to see next, please don't hesitate, just contact us, guys. WhatsApp us. We are definitely open to feedback in terms of products, in terms of designs, what you want to see next, in terms of what kind of products would you love to see next. Okay, so these are the new transferits that we are releasing today. So I'll share the designs with you all. So this first one is coats for home, because everybody loves transfer sheets, especially in decoupage projects, where decoupage a lot about kitchen and home, key holders, things like that. So that is why I want to show you these designs. Let me just show you in such a way that there are no glares. Okay. Now, remember, all these designs are inverted due to the nature of transfer it. So if you want to actually see what is the design, just check back with our website within an hour, and all the products will be live. The kits will be live tomorrow, guys. The kits will not be live today. They'll be live tomorrow. However, if you want to pre-book your kits, you can definitely WhatsApp us and pre-book your kits from today. The kits will be started to ship out from 2 working days depending on availability. So let's say we have a number of kits that are already being shipped out. So initially the ones who book first, theirs will be shipped out faster, and the ones who book later, it will take us some time to make sure that all the products are there and then ship them out to you. Okay, so kits, it may take us anywhere from 2 to 10 working days to ship out the kits to you, and all the courses, etc., how to access will be part of the kit. So once you get the same, you can directly go to our website and access the course free of cost. So coming back to transfer it, all the transfer it designs will be live on our website within an hour, and you can check them out to place your order. So this is home coats related to. Then this is vintage. This is a complete A4 sheet. This is vintage cars 1. This is fashion, because how can we forget, right? Most of our customers are females, and we wanted to give you some really quirky, funny, really girl boss kind of transfers this time, and you will see as and when I do it now, as and when we release it. So this is fashion, where you can definitely use them as a single sheet, or of course you can fussy cut them and use the elements also on your boxes. If you want to do gift boxes, if you want to do makeup boxes, if you want to do like if you are gifting someone on their birthday, etc., you can definitely cut the pieces out, or you can use this as a single sheet. Then a lot and lots and lots of you requested this particular design to make your life easy, because not everybody can do good alcohol ink art. So they were interested in something where you can fake it till we make it. So that is why we have included this particular design. Again, a lot of you asked for it, and these are sized in such a way that they are perfect for trays and coasters. So you can definitely directly use them and then add resin or liquid glaze on top of it, and you are done, and nobody would know that this is not an alcoholic cart and it's just a transfer. Then this is a floral, because floral seems to be in huge demand, and florals can be used anywhere, right? For a card maker, art journal, decoupage, everywhere. So we are, again, this release, we have tried to give you a good combination of florals, some pink, some orange, some reds, and so on. So these are all pink florals with some greens and yellow leaves, and trust me, one of my favorite design. Very modern looking roses. Good to know, Ekta. This is Floral Script 2. You have loved our Floral Script 1, and this is the second similar scripty with a center watercolor floral piece. Then how can we forget your typical tribal, ethnic kind of design? So this is one such where you can definitely cut them and use it. I see this being used in decoupage, mixed media, and art journaling a lot. This would make beautiful art journal and layouts. Then we have a very versatile design, which is vintage flourishes. So you get a combination of vintage flourishes in different sizes. So you have small flourishes, big flourishes, and you can use them in the corners of your boxes, on your journals, on your mixed media projects, anything actually. Then we wanted to do more kid related design because a lot of you asked for that, and this is our first design under kids category. This is unicorn birthdays. So you see these unicorns which are attached to these numbers. Again, these numbers are inverted because of the design or how the transferits are being used. But you get it in two sizes. So these are all big numbers, and then you have small numbers. And then we have also happy birthday sentiment that you can use. So these would make real kid frames, kid boxes. You can use them, directly cut them and use them. There is also at the back you will see how to use it, and there is a QR code. So if you scan this, it will directly take you to video on how to use these, transfer it. They are very easy. I have already shown them to you in my last video. Okay, Gitanjali, thank you for your feedback. I'll write that down. I'll try and bring plain script designs in our next transfer it. The next is, how can we give out something for females and forget our masculine projects, for our gentlemen. So this is the sport themed related transfer it. So you see a lot of sport related stuff, guy playing badminton, basketball, football, running, batting and boxing, and then you have these sports related quotes inside. So these are perfect for a teenage boy, or a gentleman, a guy who is into sports, etc. So these would make really cool transfer for them. Next is cocktails. Because last time we did not do any food related transfer it, so a lot of you came back to us and said that you would like to see some quirky designs in food and in coffee, wine, whiskey, things like that. So we decided to give this to you. This is my favorite transfer it design in this entire lot. These are different cocktails. Now I can see this being used on coasters. I can see this being used on tissue boxes. And the best part is, you can directly, of course, cut it horizontally and use it like a single layer. You can fussy cut them and layer them one on top of the each other to create, like your own theme. Like, let's say you want to keep kiwi and this lemonade royal next to each other. You can definitely fussy cut them out and use that. So that is why I really like, this is a very versatile design from that perspective, that you can directly use them as is. You can directly put this on a tray and make a tray out of it, or you can also fussy cut and layer them to create some really cool quirky design. Again, each and every cocktail has their names also below, so you can do something with the names as well. I see this being used on coasters and tissue boxes. Like, my brain would directly go there. Next up is a cute, another kid favorite, because a lot of you wanted some kiddie. So this is for a lovely teenage girl, who's into dancing, etc. And it is full of tutus and pinks, and it's a ballerina, various poses for ballerina, and various dancing poses. Now this is my second favorite, honestly, because this is so innocent, so pure, so cute. This would make beautiful plaques for a girl, a growing girl, like 8-year-old, 9-year-old. This would make really beautiful. Thank you, Aditi. I love cocktail one as well. Then this is something which, again, we have tried to give you a combination. So this is a butterfly one where it is more nature inspired. Now again, it is been designed in such a way that you can directly cut the strip and use the strip as is vertically, or you can individually fussy cut the butterfly and use them, and layer one on top of the other. You can use it anyways. Now these will be good addition to your roses to create that nature themed scene. So I see this being used beautifully with these flowers, and combine and create a scene. And for those of you who are mixed media and art journal, I'm sure you can directly use these to create a layout. So these would make really beautiful backgrounds as well. Again, a good combination of colors and sizes and designs. So, you don't have to pick and choose. So we have not just done pinks, we have done a combination: pink, green, blues, browns, blacks, everything, all the colors we have done. Next is another vintage, because vintage has been crowd favorite. So these are vintage tags that you can directly cut and transfer on your paper and make tags out of them. You can use them as your mixed media or art journal backgrounds. You can use them on your wooden tags and gift it like on a wine bottle or something like that, or a person who likes vintage products, you can give this along vintage wine bottle or a vintage like whiskey bottles or things like that. These also would make beautiful backgrounds for your decoupage. So just cut this rectangle out and use them on your plaques, wooden plaques. They would make really beautiful design. Now another girly design for you all, and this is specially for all the makeup lovers. Okay, so this is makeup. It would be great for pendants. Right. Let me think. Good idea. I'll write it down. Ranjita, right? Yeah, I'll write it down. Ranjita, thank you for giving me some ideas. Okay. Now, this is for all the makeup lovers out there. If you have a box that needs a makeup box that needs transfer it, this is your transfer it. Trust me, it has amazing makeup related, like But First mascara. Have a fantabulous day. But First makeup. And then I'm not perfect, but my nails are eat, sleep, nails repeat. So if you are a lover, you should do this. Thank you so much, Sangeeta, Suprita. Thank you so much. I'm so happy that people are liking our transfer rates. So this is a makeup related one. Now, if you have a makeup box, or if you are repurposing a makeup box or gifting someone makeup, this is the transfer it for you. Then the next one is floral frame 2. So this is a complete A4 design which you can definitely cut out and use in smaller parts. So this would look beautiful on a tray as is. It would look beautiful in coasters. It could be beautiful on a paper where you're trying to transfer the sheet, the pattern. So this is a floral frame. We had a floral frame 1 in our last release, and this is second part. Now another kid related design, because a lot of decoupage projects are around kids. Yes, Suprita, I plan to use them on art journaling because I'm a huge art journaling buff. So let me just put it here. I think this is better. Let me just switch off one light, guys. It is very shiny. I think you guys are missing the corners. Okay, so now this is better. These are all those cute animals that you see over here. So there is this cute animal, elephant with birds, rabbits, ducks, unicorn, giraffe. Yeah, elephant is cutest. Really, I really like the mother duck and the baby duck as well, and the unicorn. Oh my god, I'm not sure whether you guys can see because of the shine. But guys, trust me, all these designs are going to be available within an hour, and you need to have a look at the designs. If I'm sorry if I'm not able to do justice because of the shininess, but these designs are simply beautiful, especially if you have a kid who loves these kind of watercolor animals. I mean, I'm an adult and I still love them. But if you have a kid who loves all these designs, they would make perfect size. So we have sized them in such a way that you can use them on coasters. You can use them on, like, if you are doing a plaque card, like kid plaque card, the nameplate that we do for kids, Or if you're even doing like box for the kids, like to give them gift, like a 4 by 4 or a 6 by 6 boxes, then you can definitely use these designs. They are sized in such a way that some are big, some are small, so these is a smaller one, these are bigger ones, so you can play around. It's not just one particular size that we wanted to restrict to you. Thank you, Pushpita. Now another one, this is for all the vintage lovers. This is lots and lots of vintage ads. Now I see this being used on any gentleman project, because there are a lot of gentlemen and a vintage theme that's going around. Again, beautiful for art, beautiful for mixed media projects, beautiful for decoupage projects. Of course, it is also good for card making, like the backgrounds that you can use and make some vintage cards. And you can also use them on pouches or things like that. Trust me, there are so many ways. So this is another one, a vintage advertisements one. It has different vintage advertisement that you can mix and match. So this is like an ephemera piece that use for it and use it. Trust me, they would make beautiful layering piece for your mixed media art journaling, as well as if you're doing decoupage or a shadow boxes. These would make really beautiful elements. Next up, mandala, because a lot of you wanted mandalas, and especially for a tray, coaster kit, or things like that. So what we have done is, I showed you this kit, right? So these are the trays that we sell on our website. So what we have done is, these four mandalas are sized in such a way that they are smaller than the coaster. So you out of this thing you can actually get four mandala coasters, and this bigger one you can use on tray, like you can center it and use on tray. And then the smaller ones you can use to decorate the tray, or you can make fridge magnets out of them, like smaller fridge magnets. So that is how we have divided, given you different sized mandala. So we have one big for the trays, four small for the coasters, and then these additional to make a pattern in the tray itself, or you can definitely do fridge magnets. That was the whole thought process behind sizing them. Then this is wooden textures, because again this is a very highly requested transfer. This is actually a decoupage paper, which a lot of you have loved. Especially a lot of you actually use this decoupage paper also as a backdrop for your photos. I mean, I did not know that, but later on I came to know, because a lot of our customers told us that we use your wooden decoupage paper for a backdrop, as well as, of course, these make beautiful coasters and trays. So we have given you the same design and transfer it, because a lot of you wanted to just fake it till you make it, right? So you can simply stick this on an MDF and it will look like wood. So this is wooden textures one. Then another cute kiddie design which you can use anywhere, guys. If you are a lover of summer season like I am. Yes, I live in Bombay, so I am a lover of summer season. I don't like winters. And I know a lot of you are going to hate me for that. My husband hates me for that because I don't love winter. But I am a summer person, and I had to include this it for summers. It is such a colorful theme, and it has everything a summer buff like me would want. This would make beautiful individual characters which you can use on absolutely anything. So if you are making glasses, like you are doing custom glasses, you can use them there. You are doing coasters, you can use them there. You are doing napkin, like tissue napkin boxes, you can use them there. Like, there are so many options. I simply plan to stick this on paper and make cute summer cards for my friends. I definitely plan to do that, because as I said, summer lover. So yeah, this is another one of my favorite this season. Yes, you can make keychains as well. See, you guys have so many ideas. Then I am another floral, because you can never have too many flowers, right? So this is the last one that I showed you was pink flowers. So yeah, they make cute brooch pin for kids. Cool idea, Ranjita. I want you to make brooch pins in your next DT video, Ranjita. Let's show people how you can do brooch pins with these. Thanks, Dad. Mandala. I also love mandala. So these are the two flowers that we are doing. We are doing one pink, one red, and peach. Again, we are trying to give you different colors. And then we have done one vintage floral script that had more painted flower in it. So, yeah. Next is another cutesy one, guys. Trust me, I feel so bad. If this would have come during Valentine, it would have been your favorite. But nevertheless, this makes really beautiful anniversary designs, or just to say love you, because you don't need, who needs a Valentine Day, right? At least I don't. So these are all those cute rabbits with different Valentine poses. So here he is trying to hearts with magnetic heart. Here he's trying to measure the other person's heartbeat. I mean, such cute scenes, I imagine this being used on anything. Plus, these are longish, so you can use this on a longer gift box, like if you are gifting someone a pen box, a watch box. Oh, Ranjita, good idea. Your 5-year-old is very creative. Then this is love you, like sending a love you through the earlier way of how we used to communicate using the glasses and a string. So this says love you, and then these are cute rabbits talking to each other. Then this reminds me of DDLJ. He's playing no, okay, not this one, the below one. This is with the lock and key. So she has a lock and he has a key. Then this is just chatting, so they are chatting with each other, love you. And then this is that DDLJ scene. He is playing violin and she has fallen in love with him. So this is like a DDLJ scene for me. And then these are all those cute rabbits holding love. And then this is the girl rabbit tying him through the love. So I mean, I'm in love with this particular transfer it. I am definitely planning to make some cards with this. Yeah, perfect for bookmark, right? They are slim. Yes. My husband is a reader. Good idea. He'll get one. And then we have this particular design, which is, so if you are a boss like me, who are, and since this is Women's Day month, right? I had to include this, where you have beautiful illustrations of strong females and some strong empowering quotes. I see this being used on anything, literally. If you have a female in your life, you can gift anything made, and being these illustrations added on top. You can literally do this on gift boxes, on wrapping, anything. I'm sure she'll appreciate the effort, the cards, etc. So this one is also one of my favorite in this release. So this says boss babe, and then I'm sorry, these are all inverted. So I'm trying to read them. Just a girl boss trying to build an empire, or really motivating and uplifting girl quotes. And then the last one we have is this cute monster transfer for kids. So if you have a kid in your house who has a birthday coming up, this is it for you guys. Trust me, these monsters, colorful monsters, are so cute. So you get 1 to 9, and then you get the respective like happy birthday monster party kind of quotes. And then of course, if you want to do 10, 11, 12, you can combine them and do it. So I this one. It's also one of my favorite. Just look at how colorful they are, especially for kids. So those were all the designs of Transfer It for this month. I hope you enjoyed. I'll just show you again all the designs. I'll show you that, because last time also this was asked. So I'll just show them to you once. Yes, they would make beautiful graphics for baby album. So these are all this. I'm buying this. Will use it for my little one's next birthday. Yeah, Pavati. That's why I think, especially for birthdays, we don't. I mean, we did not have any stamps or stencils for that matter. So I thought let's do some transfer it. So people have some variety, that somewhere they can use stamps, somewhere they can use transfer it, and they can just simply learn some new art forms and make something cool for their kids. Alphabets. Good idea. Alphabet transfer it. Gitanjali, good idea. See, you guys are giving me such cool ideas. I'll definitely work on them. I'm writing them down, by the way. So, yeah, these were all the transfer it. Thank you, Uma Singh. So, yeah. So, thank you, Suparita. So, now is question time. So this was our complete release, guys. It was a small and sweet release this time, but we definitely we wanted to give out the kits and transfer it to you guys in March itself, because some of them are really beautiful, some are themed related and Women's Day related. So we wanted to do it this month itself and do not further delay it. And that is why we have done a small release with limited items. But now we plan to do more of these now that I'm comfortable coming live, and I hope you'll support us in this live well. So uh, I'll ask you the question. Ready, guys, for the last question of our live. After this release, how many total designs of Transfer It do we have now? After this release, in total, how many designs of Transfer It do we have? Frames. Good idea. Priyanka, you are close. Okay, we have a Nadia DeCosta. Priyanka, they were 25 plus 25. It was 50. You were close, dear. So 50 are now in total we have 50 designs of craft angles transfer it. And that concludes, before I complete that, all the winners whom we have selected, guys, for all the 5 questions, please drop us an email at hello@hndmd.in. I will highlight the email ID for you guys. Okay, just drop us your complete address and phone number at hello@handmade.in. The email ID is on your screen now. So next week, all your winner parcels will be shipped out to you, and we'll provide you the tracking details. Guys, it may take 4 or 5 days for us to ship out. So please don't worry if we don't reply to your email back. We just need your address and phone number. So just make sure that you send those to us so that we can ship them out to you. And as soon as they are shipped out, we share tracking number with you as well, along with the courier company, so you guys can keep an eye out on the parcel. Okay, so please drop us an email, don't forget to do that. And that was a wrap, guys. That was our now. Before you guys log off, I have a question for you all. Now, this is of course not related to giveaways. It's just that I wanted to know, because we plan to come live, like meaning we I plan to come live and just do some product demos, or talk about the products that we have, because I understand that we have a huge range of product, and sometimes it becomes difficult to showcase everything during the release or during the videos. So would you like to see me come live and show products or talk about products? Like, for example, we can do texture paste 1 month, 1 day, and we can talk about all the different kind of texture paste, how they look, how are the different textures. We can talk about transfer it in 1 week, one demo. We can talk about pattern paper in one demo. We can talk about decoupage in one demo, like what are the different kind of papers we have, where we can use, etc. So we can do a product focus kind of a live where we talk about our products, and by the end of it we make something fun, so you and me along together. So what do you think? Would you guys be interested? If yes, then I would love to come and just share the knowledge, just have some fun during afternoon. Okay, I see a lot of absolutely yes, of course. Okay, then let me plan. I'll come up with a plan. I will check with my team on when we can do, and then probably whenever I want ideas on what product do I want to focus on, I will probably do a questionnaire in stories, and then the one which gets maximum vote, we will talk about that product in that live, and so on and so forth. So let's do something like that where you also have a say on what product should we talk about next, etc. Okay. So just sharing of some knowledge so that it's a fun session for you all. Great, guys. I think I mean I really love the replies. You guys are really supportive. So I'll definitely come online and we will plan these sessions, hopefully in March or definitely in April. So let me check out my schedule and we'll plan something. So that was the wrap for today, guys. Thank you for being such great customers and such great participants in this live. Please release gouache colors. Yes, Aditi, I want to. I'm working on it. So make in India is a painful task, but I'm working on it. Hopefully soon, Aditi. Gouache, we are working on it. So yeah, so thank you guys genuinely from the bottom of my heart. You guys have been amazing during this live. I mean, I love the engagement, I love the kind of responses that I have gotten. And belated happy Women's Day to most of you, because of course we had shared, but I did not come live then. So belated happy Women's Day, and I hope you enjoyed our products. And please, if you are ordering from our website, take full advantage of our sale, which is going to be live in an hour. Okay, so I'll see you there. And of course, if you want to order kits, you can definitely WhatsApp us as well now. Thank you guys. Bye bye. Take care.